Welcome to GTC Taipei. What an incredible week this has been. Being here in Taiwan, surrounded by the people and the companies that are literally building the future of AI, there is no feeling quite like it. The energy, the conversations, the partnerships, this is where it all comes together. And Jensen gave us a lot to be excited about.
GTC Taiwan!
Let's start with where AI is right now, because something fundamental has shifted. For the past few years, we've been amazed by what AI can generate. Words, image, code, answers. Generative AI changed everything. Then came reasoning. Models that don't just respond, but actually think through problems step by step. This week, Jensen made clear we've entered the agentic era. Agents don't just answer questions, they understand your intent. They plan, they use tools, they take action, and they get work done, continuously, autonomously, at a speed no human can catch. Instead of opening an application and click through menus, you simply explain what you want. The agent figures out the rest. And here's what makes the moment so significant. Agents are not longer a research concept. They are useful right now, today. The GitHub commit data is proof. Software commits triple in early 2026 after years of flat growth. AI agents are already generating $9 trillion worth of economic output from what used to be $3 trillion in human engineering work. That's not potential, that's happening. Every company will run agents. Every company will need infrastructure built for agents. And that changes everything about how we think about the data center. Because agents are relentless. They don't operate on human timescales. They live in nanoseconds, orchestrating models, calling tools, processing outputs, and looping back. Millions of times a second across thousands of simultaneous workflows. The old computing pattern, launch an app, click, type, wait, is being replaced entirely. This is why Vera Rubin exists. Vera Rubin is in full production, built from the ground up for agentic AI, not just to process inference, but to run agent at scale. 10 times the agent throughput of Blackwell, deploy at pod scale, end-to-end, optimized from silicon all the way to the data center floor. This is the supercomputer that agents live in. And alongside it, the Vera CPU, a product Jensen described as the beginning of a market that never existed before. Every CPU ever built was designed for humans. This one is built for agents, 1.8x faster on agentic workflow, already adopted by Anthropic, OpenAI, Oracle, and CoreWeave. There will be more agents than there are people on the planet. You started to understand just how large this market becomes. Now for every data center operator building the infrastructure that all of this runs on, DSX is the conversation you need to be heavy. In a power-constrained world, and the world is absolutely power-constrained, 1 gigawatt means 1 gigawatt. You don't get more. So how you use the power determines your revenue, your competitiveness, and your future. DSX, NVIDIA's data center optimization platform, changes that equation. Today's AI factories over-provisioning power by up to 40%. DSX lets operators safely deploy more GPUs inside the same power budget, unlocking billions in additional annual revenue from infrastructure that's already built. Throughput per watt is your revenue. DSX is how you maximize every single watt you have. Now, this is the part we really want to say out loud. None of this exists without our partners. Foxconn, Quanta, Wistron, ASUS, GIGABYTE, Pegatron, Wiwynn, and the many extraordinary system partners across Taiwan who brought their factories, their engineering, and their commitment to make Vera Rubin a reality. 150 partners, millions of square feet, hundreds of sites, all moving in extraordinary precision together. Jensen called it extreme co-design. We call it the most remarkable manufacturing partnership this industry has ever seen. And we are deeply, genuinely grateful for every single person in it. Agentic AI is here, the infrastructure is ready, the platform is optimized, and the partnership that built it is unlike anything this industry has ever seen. Thank you for being part of GTC Taipei. Thank you, Taiwan.